Hey guys, what's up? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to break down for you how you can put a text behind a character or an object in your video on CapCut. On computer, guys, it is super simple and you absolutely don't need any advanced video editing skills to pull this off. So let me show you how it's done really quickly so that you may follow my steps and apply them for yourself. So what you want to do, guys, is first add the video clip you would like to use here from your library to your video track below, just like that, and place the object or the character you would like to use here on a separate video track, just like that. As you can see, I am using an image or a photo of a character like that without the background. I used the background removing tool on Canva to do that, so you can do that as well. And after that, I placed that image here as a PNG file on a separate second video track above the main video clip. Also, I adjusted the duration of that image here on the video track so that it aligns with the duration of the video clip, just like that. I also adjusted this position and the size of that image. You can customize and play around with that as much as you like, guys. So once you have come to that point, it is time to add a text to your video clip. So what you want to do, guys, is click on text here in the top left corner and select that text effect from that list below. Click on that plus icon to apply it. Next, adjust its duration here on your timeline so that it aligns with both with your image as well as with your video clip, just like that. Next, click on your text box here in your preview window and type in your custom text, like for example, I don't know, test 1, 2, 3 or super exclamation mark, just like that. And as you can see, currently the text is in front and the video clip as well as the character in the background, and I would like to change the order of that. So this is how you can do it. Doing it here on computer is super simple. All you need to do, guys, is switch the image file with your text box here on your timeline so that your backgroundless image is placed on the uppermost video track and the text box below that and the video clip on the lowermost video track, just like that. And now, as you can see, the text is behind my character. Now you can leave it like that or keep customizing. For instance, I would suggest to change the position and also the size of the text box by clicking on its edges and corners, just like that. You may also apply different styles, like for instance that style here or that font. Try different styles, presets and colors, just like that. For example, let me apply that outline effect here. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.